Hello guys! So I thought of becoming a painter during the lockdown, and since I didn't have any wall to paint at my home, because well, otherwise I would have just received flying chapel from my mother if anything were to go wrong. So I decided to paint a corner in my stairs ending at terrace. And before getting into the crazy story behind this wall painting, let's first dive into the video and explain you the process. It is quite simple actually. So yeah, let's dive into the video. So well, obviously the first step was to go into a little detailed research and ask people on how to paint a wall and get the necessary material required. In my case, since I was painting an ombre wall, I made sure to get same number of rollers and tray as much as the number of different paint colors I was planning on to use. So in my case, since I was planning to use three colors, so I got three rollers, three trays. So the second step is to start by sanding off the walls like really properly, and then just let the dust settle for a day or so before painting the wall again. Also wipe the walls with a wet cloth so that you really like just remove all the dust before painting the walls. So use a masking tape to cover the edges which like really needs to be protected, and I use this masking tape which is from Asian Paints. So and I guess this really works perfectly fine, so you can just go on and buy the Asian Paints one as well. And finally the painting work begins. So first of all, obviously apply the base color, and in my case I chose the lightest color in the ombre gradation as my base color. Then just let the wall dry and see if you need more coats, then do that. Otherwise start with the next process. The base coat is done. Start by painting the other two colors and just like leave a gap between both the different colors so that you can blend them easily at the last step. So check the number of coats required, like really check the number of coats required, because it really depends on the kind of color you are using. And the dark yellow that I'm using usually needs more coat to look fine and appear more smooth, so it all depends on the kind of color you are using. So yeah, time for the crazy story behind this wall painting. So yeah, I painted this wall during the hottest months, and my terrace gets extremely hot. So anyway, I not only risked myself from falling off the railing while painting, but also just painting in a space where literally within just a minute of barely standing, you would be sweating like crazily. But well, somehow my inner drive was crazy, and I badly wanted to divert my mind, my attention, and I just wanted my creativity to be put into something productive. And also because I had been thinking about it since more than 6 months. So here it is, a video of me trying to manage painting a wall in crazy heat. But well, what can I say? I am a great painter available for hire. But yeah, I am a little expensive. Lol, I'm just kidding. And well, that's how it sort of looked like when I was complete. I was done with the uh, paint, the coats of all the three different colors. And finally, in the final step of painting the wall, make sure to pour down all the three colors like two at a time before beginning painting so that you can blend them easily and really do not have to rush in between to get another color and like really quickly paint it. So you might need help of someone in this last step, and I asked my brother to help me out in this. So yes, thanking you officially all. So really what I did in this step was to actually, I was painting the yellow color down and my brother was painting the another color up, and then we just sort of blended it, and that's it. Like, it's really simple. We just need to blend it perfectly. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this wall painting, and I'm sure you will completely fall in love with it once you paint the wall. And also for the last step, consider styling or jazzing up the area. It really brings immense happiness, trust me. And also wait for the styling that I did for this area. I'm going to post it super soon, so keep your eyes on that. And I hope you really like this video and appreciate my effort for it, and maybe try it at your homes too. It would be a great idea. So see you next time. Alvida.